In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do high-level, low-level board structure in Monday.com. Whether you're looking to optimize your project management process or seeking ways to streamline your workflow, this guide is just what you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to organize and connect your boards efficiently. To get started, first head over to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, proceed to click on the Login button. If you're logged out, you'll need to log back in by choosing the Google option and selecting your Google account. This step ensures that you have access to all your boards. Now look over to the left panel on your dashboard. This panel houses all your boards. Navigate to the board you want to work with and click on it. A good practice is to make sure that the board you choose is the one where you want to establish a connection, so take a moment to double check before proceeding. After clicking on the board, locate the table or group that's relevant to this task. This area is where we will be making a crucial addition. To do this, find and click on the plus icon. This action allows you to add a new column, which is fundamental in connecting different boards. In the menu that appears, select Connect Boards. This option is essential for bridging information between different boards, providing a seamless flow of data. Once that's done, you'll see another prompt to select boards. Click on this too. You'll now be presented with a list of boards from which you can choose your low-level board. Take your time to select the correct board, as this will play a crucial role in how information is shared across platforms. Next, you'll notice an option that says Create a two-way connection. Check this box because it allows for dynamic updates not just from high-level to low-level boards, but vice versa as well. This two-way communication streamlines updates, reducing the manual transfer of information and minimizing errors. Finally, wrap up by clicking on Connect Boards. Don't worry if it takes a moment. This is just the system finalizing the link between boards. Once done, you've successfully structured a high-level, low-level board system. To summarize, what you've done today is optimize your workflow by linking various boards through a straightforward, integrated system. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other boards you wish to connect. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful for your Monday.com projects.